How to export PNG Kapwing. So first go to Kapwing and then just upload your file here, your video file, or you can just look at the visuals here in Kapwing itself. And then for example, this is the video here. I just got it here in Kapwing. And then you can just click on export project here at the top right, and then click on PNG as a format. And then you can choose any of the resolutions here. And then make sure these ones that has the glitter effect or the gold effect here, this ones you need to have a pro plan here. Okay, so these ones here that doesn't have it are free, are on the free plan, I mean. So you can just click on select an image frame here, and then just select your frame here that you want to export as PNG. So let's say I'm going to export the first frame here where all of them are looking, and then you can click on export image. Then let's just wait for it to export here. You can see the progress. Then click on download. And there you go. Now, as you can see, it's been exported as PNG. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.